At Dietz & Watson, we still make a great deal of natural casing sausages. There's two different kinds of natural casing sausages. One is in a hog casing, and the other is a sheep casing. The sheep casing is behind me. This is sheep casing hot dogs, and it's as old as time. That's what hot dogs were made and sausages were made in Europe. We still do the same thing. I have an interesting story about this. As you can see, the linking of these hot dogs are done by machine. When I was young, I had to do them by hand. That was one of the first jobs I learned how to do. And I did get kidded once in a while by the employees, the workers that were on the line. They were doing it so quickly, and I just couldn't figure out how to get it done at the same speed that they were doing it. And I was making different sizes. So they gave me a nice ribbing on that. So that's how I learned. I guess I was 16 years old. But we're still making the same type of product. And that's what I take home if I'm taking home a hot dog, is a natural casing, sheep casing beef frank.